First step, unplug. Thing you'll need is a Torx 10 security bit. There's 2 screws here that have to come off. Close it, pull this part back. Screws here and here. Everything was leaking over here. So this is exactly where it was leaking. This pair of pliers, this little portion here spins as well. So you can hold it just to loosen it up. Take this blue, this, it's in there like this. And you want it flipped upside down. And just put this back on. There's a few little drops. Definitely not coming out like it was before. It's the fix.